Cool. I see you. You joined.
Why are you recording this? Okay, I'm gonna hang up here.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Nice. Looking good. Alrighty. So I got a little MVP. What's going on?
No, I think do people I think your little gamer set. I think that's so funny. I always tell my brothers that you guys look like you work at Chick-fil-A or something.
We look like Chick-fil-A?
Like yeah, work at Chick-fil-A or something.
Oh,
That's
I know what you mean. All right. Okay. Let me share my screen. What do I do?
you share. Mhm.
Oh, that's super cool. Okay. So can you see me?
Yes, wait, I'm just checking one thing. Click here. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure my thing is at 1 p.m. Central. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you can annotate. What the fuck? Okay.
You never done
Let's
it before?
no.
Oh, you
Not
really?
with this new stuff. No, this is all new.
Okay, okay. That makes sense.
It's a new interface. Okay, so
Background.
you can see my screen?
Yeah. Oh, see your screen? Is that the background? No, that's your background.
You can only see the background, you can't see the code? Oh shit.
I can't just see
Oh shit.
the pretty stuff.
Yeah. Shit.
Also, that means that you probably have to look, your thing is probably in a different you're sharing the wrong thing.
Yeah, I'm sharing the wrong thing. How can I just share the screen?
No, just take out of it, like get out of it, like stop sharing. And then sometimes it gives you like choices that you can pick that
Yeah,
you're
I
up.
know. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, is that better?
Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Lighting's so bad. Whatever.
You can see it now?
I can see your coding.
Okay. Yeah. All right, let's just make a new tab here. And that'll be its own little thing. All right. It's still kind of buggy for my
Mhm.
standards, but technically it works. So let me.
I like how you come out in even in the little one. That's so funny. You come like in both.
All right. So the idea here is this is the app,
Hmm.
and this is using Python Flask. And the idea, this allows it to create the back end for an application. So there's a front end and a back end. So the front end would would be this little mock website. This is a little mock. And this is something that is you see on your browser. So if I go here, oh, what was the command? HTTP dot server. I forgot the command. There's so many
When you're
different.
doing this, where do you get those things?
Where do I get what?
Like reminding you of the command or writing.
This one I kind of memorized. Work DR. I think mock website. Is this right? Shit. Where do I get these things? It's just researching, but I need to find it again. I forgot.
Mm.
Wait, do I have it here? No, I do not. I have a history. Oh, damn. Website. Okay. No. What the fuck was it? There it is. Just bear me 1 second. I had to restart my computer, so I have
Mm.
to reopen everything. Sorry. Should have been a little bit more prepared. I didn't even have Zoom.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just getting ready. This works out for me.
Oh, I was so close. I just forgot the little command, little flag there. So if I do this server dot, yeah, 8,000, everything's the same. Work. Oh, it's directory. All right, cool. So that's working. And if I go here, Docker build, this is probably already built. Chat. Yeah. Yeah, already built. So then I just do a Docker run. So this is me. I created this whole project, and what I'm doing right now is that I am wrapping it up
Mhm.
with a thing called Docker, which is a thing called a container. And a container allows you to wrap up a project and then be able to run it on any environment. It's very portable. Like technically, if you had Docker 2 on your system, I could just send you this. They call it an image. I
Mhm.
can send it to you, and then you can run the same thing. It has all the code that you need to make it like a working service. So then you just need to do these little things. So I'm going to be running it here. Yeah, 5,000 on port 5,000. Yeah, chatbot app. All right, this is going to take a little while. Ah, fuck. Doesn't like it when I do this. There's a problem with the testing. I have to take this little thing out here. I don't know why it doesn't like it. What's going on here? Okay, there. Remake it. All right, it's good. All right, cool. You saw all that? That's my
Mhm.
program running.
On the website.
Yeah, on a service, not on the website yet. It's still
Oh.
local, but in a sense, it's like it is kind of like on the web on a website. So, like
Mm.
for example, so if I go here, right, localhost 8,000, then I see I have this little thing here, and then here it's not really working here technically, but is where is the sign up web page? Are you fucking kidding me? Again? Oh, because I need the GPU. Oh, okay, okay. I know what I did wrong. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I know what I did wrong. Sorry. I forgot to run this command too. See, there's so many things. Oh,
Yeah. No, I know what you.
so I have to give it access to my GPU. That was the problem. Okay. See, there you go. It's doing this little thing. Low CPU is quantized. So this is the app, and here it allows me to chat. So it's not gonna work perfectly here, but let's see. Oh, it's still not up to date, not up and running yet. I have to wait. Takes a little while. I think it's running right now. Let's see. Docker PS. Yeah. So if I ask for this, yeah, now it's working. Yeah, I see. I still need to tweak it, but you see here, it got the request, which I asked it, you
Mhm.
know, and see, and this one is get, and it got the request. Here's the little chat bot. I asked it, where's the sign up page? And then it gave me a follow these rules strictly. Boom. I still need to tweak it here. See, it's giving me a whole bunch of stuff here that I don't want.
Mhm.
So that's the problem.
And how can you
Where's
remove
the
that?
sign up page? And so here's the answer here. It can also ask for context as sign up. Well, that's kind of all right. Compromising fear website is not usually an option for an innocent. Make sure to give it a custom name like custom. Someone might consider using certain. So this is hallucination here.
Mhm.
This is hallucinating, so it's not really working so well. It's like it's trying its best to answer the question, but it's not quite. But it's here, it found this thing sign up.
Uh-huh.
But yeah.
Oh, for the chat box. So
Hmm.
when you're doing that, are you trying, do you give it the AI will take over? Like, for example, you can ask anything that's only within the website, correct?
Yeah. Here in this LLM model, this is what I'm trying to tell it. Like I'm trying to like make it more and more specific. So you see like you are a helpful AI
Mhm.
website, blah
Mhm.
blah blah. Follow these rules strictly. If the questions about signing up page or specific, provide only the direct link or clear belief this instruction. Your response should be no more than 20 words. Do not mention the context or re-paraphrase the question in your answer. Start your response with a relevant action, visit, go to, when, whatever.
Mhm.
And when appropriate, use this context to inform your answer, but do not repeat it verbatim. Human, and then here's the AI. And then I have to, I code it all. Here's the prompt. So I give it the template. This is the template. I give it this
Mhm.
template, and then I give it this chain where it's like, okay, I prompt it, I give the model, and then I can parse, like, whatever the output is, I parse
Mhm.
it. So these are piping it, and then here's answering the question. So then here it invokes it. So if I ask a question and I give it a context, I space it out in a dictionary where it's a key value pair. So this is a
Mhm.
key, this is a key, and what this invoke will take like whatever is in context, this key, it will refer to this context, whatever is in this object, and it will be a bunch of information. And whatever is in this question, it will refer to this variable and whatever uh, data or information is in there, what kind of query. And so then it will print out the response and some confidence thing. So where I'm trying to have it work a little bit better is that here's the indexer. So what's happening here in this sitemap parser is that I the main objective is that I need two different classes. I need something that is able to parse or to extract the relevant information from the website.
Mhm.
The next thing is that getting all that relevant information that I need to index it into a special kind of database, which is called a vector database. So essentially what it does is that I'm transforming the information on each web page into a different value, like floating point number, decimal point values, which points
Mhm.
to a vector, you know? And then you store all the content on many different entries in a database, like a SQL table. Each row is like it contains like a few number of decimal point values that in a way represents what is the content of that web page. So I store it in a thing. So I parse the data here. I'm parsing it. This is extract text and images, and then I process it. Then I have to split it, and then I have to create this index. This is the index. This is the vector database that I'm using. And then from the documents that I have scraped and the embeddings, this is the vectors, I store it into this index. And query, when I ask the question here, the query, like a SQL query, I ask it to search based on the query, can you find the most relevant, like a similarity? It looks it up like a similarity. So you see, look, it says search. And when I index it, when I go to scrape an index, when I go to the search command here, search,
Mhm.
it loads the index in. And then here it does similarity search with score, right?
Mhm.
So based on my query, it tries to understand my query and try to find the most relevant or similar content in the website in its database that corresponds to the website, and then present that as an answer, as a possible answer.
Mhm.
And then it gives me that, and that becomes my context. See, it becomes my search results. These search results, I should I should probably give like one or two. It's just giving one. So he's giving one context, and then that becomes the context into the LLM, the large language model. This is the ChatGPT. This context, so the context is created based on the search results. And I can give it based on the search results. Right now, I'm only giving it one, but I could give it five. Give the five top results. Combine those five top results, and then that becomes the context that helps to prime the chat GPT to answer that question. So it still gets your question, like what is the sign up page? Then it gets kind of like the answer based on the search results. And then it generates a response to say, hey, go here based on the search results on the
Mhm.
web page. And then here you get the answer and then you get your confidence score. That's the idea. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yeah.
to an extent. Yeah, so it reminds me of my classes when I took stats. Well, obviously this is more not stats, but
So
the
if I
same.
ask like, what is, probably won't have anything on Python, it'll just hallucinate. So it's going to think, see, you saw that? You got
Mhm.
another thing and it worked. So you got another thing. I asked, what is Python? Graphical assistant. I wanted to stop saying this. I want to just give me the answer.
Oh, I see.
See, okay, here's the answer here. A simple name system is implemented in Python. The system starts out with the simple names, add the level names, and slowly this is like it's just gibberish. Makes no sense. But it's
Mhm.
still somewhat related. It has the Python in there, you know?
Mhm. Yeah.
So yeah, it's like it's sort of working. It doesn't really help that Logan only has like two pages, the home page and the sign up page. He doesn't have the product, you know. So I'm gonna switch over to the appliance to Michael's website, and I
Mhm.
can probably have a lot more data to work with, and he'll probably maybe give me something, more substantial context to work with. Because
Yeah.
right now it's like I'm asking it to give me an answer, but there's just so little information for it to work based on. So it's just making up
Yeah.
shit after that. That's what I
No, that,
suspect.
well, it's true. And
Yeah.
I did see the video. I fully saw the video, and this lighting is getting on my nerves. Um, but it was, yeah, I didn't know what exactly. So it's just like a little like I'm kind of confused at what it is. His
Yeah, I don't think
It's
it's
kind
gonna
of
go
like just a
anywhere.
place where all other clubs, like other get together and sign up.
From what I understand, is that he wants to help someone who is starting a club, like a meetup. So he
Yeah.
wants to do meetup, but to put it on steroids and give you the tools to help you grow that club.
Oh, okay.
Like, so it's
Okay.
like an educational thing too. So there's an educational twist to it. We're
Mhm.
saying, hey, you just made your club. And then at some point, when you reach a certain size or whatever
Mhm.
you're going for, like you reach some sort of criteria or some metrics. And if it passes some sort of metrics to a different level, to a different
Yeah.
category of your club, like you grew to a different stage,
Mhm.
then you will get some additional resources on how to grow your club. But then
Yeah.
also it starts to introduce a gig economy. So
Mhm.
if you get to a certain level where, okay, now I really wanted to have a bigger club where I need to have more people involved with it to make the club good.
Mhm.
Like for example, like my Nota Divino, I got
Yeah.
to the point where it got big enough
Mhm.
and it's been consistent that I wanted to hire these
Mhm.
instructors
Mhm.
initially, but then it didn't work out. So eventually I had to work out and find Isaac to and his girlfriend to do the instructions. So the
Okay, I see.
idea is that it's going to be like a broker, like a platform to
Yeah,
put these people together quicker, you know,
that makes sense.
help to
Yeah.
bridge that barrier of entry. That's the idea, is that, oh, there's a bunch of DJs there or salsa people there. And if you're doing a
Mhm.
certain event that you want to do something like this and require a DJ or something like that, then
Right. It's an easier.
it will have a
Okay.
catalog of DJs that you can like request for bids. So kind of like the same thing with freelancing. So he
Yeah.
wants to
Okay, that
put
makes sense.
freelancing, yeah, together with these clubs, things like that.
That makes sense, especially, and it's a good. It does make sense because Austin is growing so much, and like, yeah. So that's true. That makes
Yeah,
sense.
that's that's what I explained, but he didn't explain
Yeah,
that in the video.
I think the way you're explaining
Yeah,
it, you're
exactly.
like, wait, I'm like, wait, that makes sense. That's great. You should be co-founder. Be like, hey, I'm giving you these ideas, and I think you should take it because
Yeah,
that
that's one.
makes sense. Because that, like you said, if you, like you said, if you, for example, you're with your wine nights, like you want to host somebody or you want somebody to come, like that makes sense. Like, oh, let me go into this website that I've signed up for, and maybe I can find somebody. And you already have like it's a reoccurring thing. And it's
Yeah.
more like it's not just somebody random. It's kind of you guys kind of know each other, I'd say.
Okay, here. So I'm gonna do something cool. Let's see if this works. Um, I'm gonna rebuild. So let's crash this, right? So if I do this now, hello, it's gonna crash. It's not gonna say anything. So I encountered a problem. Sorry, I encountered an error. Okay. So I shut down the thing. Now what I'm gonna do, let's see, I never done this before yet, but let's go to what was it called? Travis County Apply Repair Shop. There you go. All right. I want this. I want this. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna change this. Okay, we're gonna make that. Boom. Okay. Activate it again. And now we're gonna use Michael's thing here. There you go. Oh, need to adjust that. So this is his appliance repair shop. All right. So what I need to do here, okay, build it up again. Okay. Okay. How can I need to reset. Fuck. What do I need to do here? Okay. This might not work. I might need to find a way to send. I need to send this to refresh the index. I don't know how to do this index status. What did I put in my thing? Ah, shit. No. Or if I just get this working here. Okay, it's working. I want to send it. So now it's working. It's on. Yeah. Is this gonna work? Or I need to
Yeah.
refresh the index. What'd you say?
Oh, no. Oh, yes, yes. You were telling me about the index.
Okay, let's see. Where is this sign up? Damn. I need to refresh the index. Shit. Um,
Where do you
what
have
can
to
I
go
do?
to?
What can I do? Wait, sorry?
Where do you have to go to do that? Same place? Like this?
I have to do it manually now, but
Mm.
it's easy. It's possible. Can do it. Source, deactivate. Okay, poetry shell. All right. Curl. Fuck. Curl. HTTP. HTTP. How do you do it? Localhost 5000. Refresh. Oh man, shit, that could work. I should just have that running right now. Yeah, I could just do that. Curl. I have to curl it.
What does that mean, curl it?
I actually don't know what curl means, but what it does is it sends through the internet or whatever URL.
Hmm.
Uh, it sends a request to whatever IP address you needed to or server. Okay, refresh index. So like I want to send this specific command. I hope this works. It's not up and running yet. I have to wait for this to start. Okay, it's running now. What is that noise?
My mascara. This? Like,
I said not allowed. What? Refresh index. Shit.
what's wrong?
Well, I don't know. I never tested this out, this part of it. Oh, running out of
Oh,
time. Oh, we're about to be. That's dumb.
wait, what do you mean running out of time?
Zoom is about to kick us out.
Oh, why?
Apparently, I guess there's some time limit.
Oh, is it 10 minutes? No, I think that you have to do it again.
That's super annoying. Is it sharing anything?
It is. I can see everything. It just says time.
Remaining minutes, 10 more minutes. Oh,
Oh, remaining meeting time. Oh,
that's okay. I need to figure this out because it doesn't allow me to send this request, but I made that thing in the app, refresh index, refresh index. Yeah, that's annoying.
but why do you think it's not allowing you?
I don't know. I
Mm.
don't know why. I tested it out, but now, well, that works. Oh, it works. Look at that. WordPress index exists and true. Okay. And that's why I want to refresh it. Refresh. The fuck. What are you talking about? It's right there. It's, this is what I'm looking at. It's like it's right there and I'm doing that. Why is it not?
Maybe take some time right
Oh,
now.
it's sending a, how do I send a post? Send a post request, curl. Because I'm sending the wrong method. Okay, that worked. Alondra?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh.
I'm listening.
So now it's doing its thing. It's probably gonna see here a lot of things. Yep. See, look. So I'm re-parsing. So this is what I made. It goes through all the things. These are non-HTML pages. So it's like
Hmm.
things with images, right? These are images, 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 images. So I want content. These are all the things that it does have HTML. See, it'll clean your dishwasher, Travis,
Hmm.
whatever, vent hood repair issues. These are all these URLs. Yeah. And then it's fetching them. See, it's fetching all those things. So it's fetching
Okay.
it, and then it's going to start transforming them. So right now it's like using a lot of my cores. See, look, now it's oh, it just did something, fetching. So now the next thing is, so when I do it, now it's doing the scrape and index. It's doing, that's what it's doing right now. I have to go up here. Scrape and index. So it loaded, number of download loaded, after transform, total, it's right here. So it's getting all the URLs, and then the next thing is going to be is loading, number of documents loaded. That's what I'm going to expect here. Hopefully it doesn't crash.
Hmm.
So that's the next step, number of documents loaded. So it's refreshing the index with all of these URLs and all the content. You know, it's gonna like save them on a vector database.
Okay. And
Uh,
those are all the ones that he has? Like those are
yeah,
his.
yeah, 60
Wow.
pages is a lot. It's a whole business.
Um,
This
and
is the real deal.
I see, I see.
Oh wait, did it finish everything? I was expecting more things. Refresh index. Yeah, it was a get. Boom, boom, boom. It's good. I guess it worked. Um, I was expecting more. That's fetching 13.
You were expecting more what?
I was expecting more prints. Number of documents loaded, number of documents after transformation.
Oh, I see.
It just kind of stopped at fetching pages. I don't know why I did that.
Mm. You have to make it
Content, and it says it gives me a successful message. Well, apparently it went through everything, so
Oh,
I don't know.
maybe it's less than you expected, which is good.
Hmm. My computer's going crazy. Okay,
Is it going
so
is it going
yeah,
like
it's very
mm,
loud.
really?
Yeah, if you look here, oh, my CPU, it's a lot of usage here on the bottom.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
You can only do so like you can only do so much, correct? What do
Yeah,
you
I have
think?
a laptop. Yeah. So
Do you also have a monitor there?
I have a second monitor, yeah. What? I think this thing is almost done. I guess it's doing all the thing it needs to do. I'm not sure. I should have printouts though. I don't know, that's annoying. See, this is the hardest part when you're about to finish, and
Yeah.
then you have to make sure everything is all working and all the little bells and whistles, crossing the I's and dotting the T. Yeah, crossing the T's and dotting the I's. All right, I guess
Uh,
it's finished. So if I
crossing.
do this, it's good. All right. Um, let's test it out. Let's see. How can I repair my vent hood? Okay. Where's the AI response? Okay. When searching for a server's name on a link, do not use. Ha. You see, it's not really working that well.
Yeah.
But technically, it's using repair. Ah, that's annoying.
Like dang, I have to do more
Well,
work.
it's using no. I did update my thing here because now it's using Travis Appliance Repair.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that's the context.
It says that we have less than a minute.
Yeah, it has the knowledge and expertise to provide benefit. Damn. See, this is what I gotta figure out. Other than
Dang.
that, like, then it's not really technically working, but it kind of is. It's just very buggy.
Yeah. No, that seems like a lot of, yeah, it's a very detail-oriented job.
That's the whole pipeline. And we're about to close the meeting. Thank you very much for your time.
Uh,